Greetings children. Today we are going to discuss the second part of programming language translators of Tier 3 Unit B. This is for class 6. The subject is computers. I am Sivasis Sandilya and I welcome you to today's class. So here we are going to discuss today the generations of programming languages. The generation of computer languages are categorized as low-level language and high-level language. The programming languages are broadly divided into low-level and high-level languages. In the low-level languages, it is furthermore divided into the first generation and the second generation languages. The first generation language is also known as the machine language, and the second generation language is also known as the assembly language. The high-level languages are divided into the third, fourth, and the fifth generation languages. Examples of third generation languages are COBOL, BASIC, C, C++, etc. Examples of fourth generation languages are Oracle, Database, etc. Examples of fifth generation languages are LISP, Prolog, etc. The first generation was of machine language, the second generation was of assembly language, the third generation was of high-level programming languages like C, C++, Java, etc. The fourth generation was of packages with programming facilities like database or Oracle, etc. The fifth generation includes languages used for artificial intelligence and neural networks like LISP, Prolog, etc. So here is a question: write the difference between interpreter and compiler. Use a pencil, try to write down the difference by yourself. Now let me show you the answer. Please note down the answer correctly. Pause the video and note it down. Once you are done, again unpause the video. Here is another question. Write the difference between an assembler and a compiler. Again, pause the video, note down the answer properly. Once you are done noting down the answer, then unpause the video. The third question asks you to write a brief note on programming language translators. So this is the answer. Pause the video and note down the answer properly. Once you are done noting down the answer, then unpause the video. Next, here are some multiple choice questions. C, C++ are example of DAS based language. The options are A user, B machine, C compiler, D controller. Question number 2 is the program in a high-level language is called the dash code. The options are A translator, B source, C object, D compiler. Question number 3, translated program in machine language is called the dash code. Options are A translator, B source, C object, D compiler. Try to guess the answers. Now let me show you the answers. The fourth question is, fifth generation includes languages used for dash and neural networks. Options are A. Natural intelligence, B. General intelligence, C. Intelligence, and D. Artificial intelligence. Question number 5. Dash generation was of packages with programming facilities like DBase, Oracle, etc. Options are A. Second, B. Third, C. Fourth, and D. First. Pause the video, take your time, try to guess the correct answers. Now I am showing you the answers. Hope everyone did everything correctly, and if you have done anything wrong, please correct your answers. This brings us to the end of today's class. I hope everyone understood everything very clearly. And this brings us to the end of Tier 3 syllabus of computer. At this point, let me remind you, revise carefully several times. Don't wait till the day before the exam to start revising. Start revising from today itself. With this note, I am Sibasis Sandilya signing out. I hope everyone enjoyed today's video. Thank you everyone.